Hello everyone, so welcome to another video. So today we are going to talk about myself, not myself, like a gaming server. So this is an easy root box for beginners. Just I said that because in our childhood we go in front of our class and then I have already started up this machine. So we go in front of our class and then when they ask us to give a speech, we usually do is a speech about myself. Good morning, dear teacher and my friends. I'm here to talk about myself. So I run an nmap scan over here. So that's port 22 and port 80 open, meaning we can run a go buster on this one most probably. Go buster, and we'll search for directories, and the URL would be you can simply use the dash u as well, but I'll give it anyway. So an IP address as well. So that's all. And as said, open SSH and Apache HTTPD is here. So that said, we can scan this as an innovation, and also we can get the file types like HTML and PHP. So our scan would be more narrow. And then what we can do is for now, like use search. Yeah, for this one, I'm going to set word list, and for that word list, I'm going to get use share, and then should be directory buster, right? Yeah, directory buster and word lists, and there should be a dictionary list of 2.3 and medium dot text. Yes, that was a long path. Yeah. Anyway, so we are getting an index page and about PHP. So let's go to index.html, and we are here at the house of Danak and Dragon Law, it's of Droga and all that. So it is. Let's see the page source, and we are getting an the hit, and there's John. So someone is asking John to please add some actual content to the site. So John should be the admin of the site. Lorem is ipsum is horrible to look at. Yes, it is. So we have this one here, and there's Dragon Law, and we have an uploads folder, meaning we have dictionary, LST, manifesto, and all that. So let's save these things inside this gaming server folder. So I have nice. So I have them. Then what do we have here? Nothing, right? So we can go back and see what we have over here. So things are developing over there. So what we can get is like we went already to the we save the uploads folder. Yeah. So what we can see is I just got another idea. So like I can run go bust over here until this is coming up. So if anyone wants, they can try that as well. So the URL would be the IP address, and the word list would be the dictionary dot list they have. So okay, you can't get shorthand you, otherwise you have to set HTTPS parameters, I think. So I'll set URL over here and unknown flag. Yeah. Even though you do that, you can do that as well with the U tag as well, but you have to say what you are looking for, that is directories. So let's let that run through. Yeah, we are getting a folder because this word list is so huge. It's going to take some time, and then we got a secrets folder. Okay, so let's go to the secret and see. Right. So we have another folder called secret, and I'm going to save this link as well. Okay, cool. So we are here, and going to go back, and until the scan is going on, I think it's better if we try something like this. So let's see what kind of a file this is. File.secret key is secret pin RSA private key. All right. So this should probably be encrypted maybe because we are having a dictionary list as well. I think that should be the case, but let's try it anyway. So before that, we have to change the permissions of this secret key. So and then let's go with John. Hope I spelled it correct, and then the IP address. Yeah. It's going to take some time now. So I'm going to split the horizontally. Okay, I come here and try again. Okay, I think this is the case. I can't actually remember this one like sudo IP li mtu set 1200 maybe 1200 dev and tunnel 0 was my yeah try IP link try IP li this should be maybe yeah that works so I just jumped out of that one. So it's like a refresh for the VPN maybe so let's try yeah that works now. So you need a password for John even yeah I didn't use that key right you need to use the key secret key which is here. Yes, that means it is an encrypted one. If we view this secret key, you can see that it's encrypted. So what we can do is we can locate this tool called script called SSH to John, and it's here. So I'm going to get this one and use such to buy, and secret key would be this one, and the word list we can specify dict.lst, and we are going to output this. Okay, it says you couldn't parse the yeah, okay, I can't remember if we want to add the W tag as well. Maybe we need to add the W tag and then IDRSA maybe. Couldn't parse key file. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. So where did I go wrong? Maybe like if what if we say it like word list equals dictionary. Yeah, I think it worked. So what we have now is that IDRSA file, and now we need to crack that one. So using John again, so I'm going to uh, yeah actually what I think that I just did a mistake here, so this shouldn't be there, but if you view this one, yeah, no such file or directory, yeah, it should be like that because I totally forgot one command, so jumbled up again. So secret key is here, and then it will go into IDRSA, and now if we view IDRSA, now it's okay. So happens right. So only the extra part was this word list dot that tag. So that tag comes after this. So here we are going to get IDRSA and then crack it using this word list, which is dictionary dot list. Yeah. So it will run for some time, and we will get this. Let me in is the password for that one. So I'm going to SSH again using IDRSA now maybe. No, maybe using the same secret key. Let me in would be the password. It should work, right? Yeah, it works. And if we view our ID now, we are John and John, John. Yeah, so ID and 0 and there's LXD, which is an interesting group. So Anyway, let's view what are the things we have here. Okay, so cool. So we are getting the user.text here. So if you view that one, yeah, we are getting a flag there. So we have enough privileges as well. So let's see what we have over LXD exploitation. And you get this link here, then I'll leave that in the description as well. Introduction to LSC, Linux containers, container technologies. Okay, so cool. So it's saying us basically what to do here. So yeah, up to this step, I guess, and what we can do is on host machine we can get these things, and then Python simple HTTP server, and then we will upload this file, and then it will import using LX image import and all that. Then finally we can get the root flag. So let's do that. I'm just going to get this copied and then over here at my machine. So okay, so sudo, and I'm going to give this command. I see. We don't actually have to do that one because I'm going to have to do that one in the other machine maybe. Yeah, we need to actually install that one. So and then run a Python HTTP server, and on that one we are going to do that. Cool. So what do we have here? So we are building Alpine, and it's going to take some time. All right, 99% and 100%. So if we ls here, so we have this one, this file. So let's take a copy of that one, and then we can put up a simple HTTP server over here with Python 3, and the module will be simple. That's for Python 2. So this would be http.server. Yeah, we are up on that one now on port 8000. So let's wget using not head wget wget not wget, it's wget. So wget using http. My IP address was 10.178.43, and I know here that's a weird way to type an IP address, I know. So the dot would be here, and then we are good to go, and it's port 8000. Now we can get the file alpine whatever. Yeah, okay, we got the file and it's being downloaded to the attack or the victim machine. So wait for that. 3.1 megabytes is going to get a long time. Okay, that's something typical internet. So we are here now. So what we can do basically now is if you go back to this one, we can move that one into a temporary folder. I didn't go to the temporary folder because yeah, but I think we have that one here, right? Yes, but I'm not sure whether we'll be able to execute this one here. So it's probably for the best if we not cd if we move this one to by to temporary folder. So it goes there, and we are going to go to tmp folder. We don't want to risk, right? And then it should be lxc image import. So we are going to import this image using lxc image and import, and this one alias image, import this dot a alpine, and then what we can do is then the alias tag comes after my image. Yeah, so alias, and then I just go with that one. Okay, shorthand flag a in alias. Yeah, you have to have two dashes here, and whatever the name you give here is going to be imported that with that one. So anyway, so what we can do is we can view whether it's over here or not. So it's up to you actually. So LXC image list would probably list out what we have. So we do have an IAG, or and what we got over here 1.3.14 is now onboarded. So what we can do now is go there and just a quick glance of this one. So image ignite C security privilege equal true, and config device adding and ignite my device or this thing, and then disk source and the path is set because even true, and LXC start ignite. So with the ignite service we are going to run bin and sh, meaning we get another new shell. So and if you view the ID, then it would be probably root. Yes, so you can't simply go with all that one, so it should be I have to edit that one as well because I use this one here IAG. So we need to simply quickly add this one as IAG, and actually it was supposed to be image, but my keyboard didn't actually add my device. Yeah, it's all right, we can add my device. So and then LXC start ignite. I'll just copy this and paste this so we can end this video quickly. Yes, it's done, and now LXC executes ignite bin ls, and the ID would be root. So we, if you're not sure who am I, I'm root. So what we can do now is we can see where this root is. Let's see, we are on root, and if we try to, let's try to cat this one using the root flag using root.text. Can't open because there's no such file or directory. All right, cool. So what we can do now is like we can find on root, and the file type would be file, and then we can set a name for the file that we are searching, which is root.text. So we are basically finding this file and can send the output to the eternal dimension or whatever this black hole inside Linux dev null. Okay, cool, we got that one as well. So it's on my mnt root, so I'm going to cat that one out, and it should give you the root part flag. So cool. So if you haven't subscribed and liked it, you can do that on the next video you are going to be on this channel. So I already submitted the facts. So until then, peace.